Now, studies show there's a crucial difference in narcissism between the genders. Female narcissists are more likely to be vulnerable narcissists, whilst male narcissists are typically grandiose. So Dr. Clare Hart, the co-author of these studies, explains narcissism is a complex personality trait. We all exhibit narcissistic features to varying degrees in both grandiose and vulnerable forms. Grandiose narcissists are self-assured and socially dominant, while vulnerable narcissists are introverted and have lower self-esteem. Both types share an antagonistic core with high levels of entitlement and willingness to exploit other people. So in one study, over 300 adults were assessed for narcissism and intimate partner violence. Dr. Green, the study's first author, found that grandiose narcissism in men was associated with greater psychological partner violence, while vulnerable narcissism in women was linked to greater physical, sexual, and psychological partner violence. For women, having a caring mother during childhood was associated with reduced levels of vulnerable narcissism and less violence towards partners. A second study surveyed over 300 women about bullying among friends. Vulnerable narcissism was linked to a greater likelihood of engaging in verbal, physical, and indirect bullying. Grandiose narcissism was associated with physical and verbal bullying. However, when considering both types of narcissism, only vulnerable narcissism significantly predicted physical and verbal bullying among women. These findings show that narcissistic women are less likely to exhibit grandiose narcissism, which is more typical in men, due to fears of backlash perhaps for violating feminine gender stereotypes, maybe for other causes as well. Instead, vulnerable narcissism, aligning more with femininity, is a greater risk marker for offending behaviours in women and is often marginalised and overlooked due to its more subtle nature.